I'm Gaurav Bawa. I'm the Senior Vice President for WIKA. I look after the WIKA business in India. We have 4 plants and operations in India, and this is the first time that we are launching an innovative mobile van for calibration in India. We've also launching them as we speak parallelly in different countries in EMEA, India region. So we have now approximately 7 vans which are going to get launched in different areas. After launching it in south of India, we will be further looking at launching the vehicles also in other parts of India, in the north, west as well. This is today the unveiling of an innovative product that you see at the back. We call it the symphony of instruments, and the symphony of instruments means that when you have an orchestra playing, every instrument has to be well synchronized to give you the right sound, and that is what calibration basically is. If you want to run the plant, and if you have to have the plant running very efficiently, every instrument should be well calibrated and it should be performing well to the best efficiency and performance, and that is what this provides. This facility will be available where we are now going to the point of our customers. We are not asking our customers to come to us for calibration, so we will provide this service. It is a big convenience for most of our customers which have large plants and operations, and they have multiple number of gauges, or 500,000 gauges in larger plants for different applications like pressure, temperature, and others. And for that, this van will be a great service where we will go to the customer end. You can book it. Finally, there will be an app on the phone which will be again great convenience, and you can track this vehicle, where this vehicle is traveling at any point in time, and you can see when it is in your area. You can also get the vehicle to your premises and get all your gauges calibrated at once. Like we explained earlier, it saves a lot of time, it saves a lot of logistics cost, packing, taking it out from operations, and sending it, and then taking a few weeks before the instrument is calibrated and then repacked and sent back. When you look at this entire cycle of calibration, it takes a lot of time, and during this time obviously you have a lot of issues for running the operations, or you have to keep so much of extra number of spares and in inventory. So this will provide at one time in your premises. You can calibrate everything, and a huge convenience for large plants and operations, like I said. Thank you.
Okay, currently we have this particular van, and looking at this success, so if we see that within 1 year would be typically a time to observe. So if we find that this is working very well, to build a new van is just a matter of around 3 to 4 months. So it won't be a big deal to make a new van. So
we would like to extend this further in the west region of India, and then in the north. These are the larger markets which we see today. So that will be the next logical extension of what we want to do.
What is the minimum time of calibration, sir?
Okay, one instrument, so that depends on accuracy, but let us say at 1% pressure gauge we can calibrate in 15 minutes max. And the most important aspect of this particular van, what I would like to mention is, this van or this service is endeavour accredited. Means it is from a government approved body. So we are not doing this is out of our own certification or own approval. This van is a government approved, enable accredited vehicle. So the certification is valid and accepted by all the bodies. So it's a very valid certification.
If the company needs, is there any pre-books or?
Yeah. So now, as Mr. Bawa explained, so this can operate in 1 or 2 ways. But typically, we would launching an app. So with this app, a customer can know when my vehicle is coming in which area.
And today we have a toll-free number. Anyone can call on the toll-free number, and you can book the van, which will travel to your premises at any time for calibration. So you have a facility that you can call and book it right now.